Best places to visit in Dukhan, Qatar are Dukhan Beach, a long stretch of golden sand with crystal clear turquoise waters, rocky cliffs, and a dramatic backdrop. Zekreet Peninsula and rock formations. North of Dukhan, this rugged area features surreal limestone rock formations shaped by wind erosion, including the iconic Umbrella Rock. Brouq Nature Reserve, home to East West West East art installation by Richard Serra. In the Brouq Nature Reserve near Zekreet, this massive public art installation consists of four towering steel plates spanning over 1 kilometer across the desert. Film City Mystery Village, a fascinating man made ancient village in the desert near Zekreet, built as a film set resembling traditional Bedouin architecture with forts, towers, and walls. Zekreet Fort, an 18th to 19th century ruined stone fort on a hill overlooking the bay. You can climb it for panoramic views of the sea and desert. Zekreet Beach, a quieter alternative to Dukhan Beach with cliffs and an opportunity for picnics and relaxation. Al Jumail Ghost Town, an abandoned fishing village with eerie ruins. Dukhan Masjid Al Khotba Mosque, a historic mosque built in 1942. It is known for its exquisite traditional design and is a significant landmark in the city. Al Shahaniya Racetrack. It is a notable nearby attraction for people interested in camel racing, desert safari, thrilling dune bashing tours from Dukhan. Dukhan Water Sports Club. For those seeking water activities, this club offers options like powerboating, jet skiing, and windsurfing. Al Reem Biosphere Reserve. It gives you access to nature reserve and wildlife like gazelles, deer, and unique landscapes. It is also a good space for camping and stargazing. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.